Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at adding and removing leads from groups. Please note that this will work for any groups in the system, whether you created the group or it's one of the marketing groups. Once you've logged into your dashboard, click on the three bars, go to CRM, scroll to the lead that you want to add to your group. Click the checkbox next to this lead and then scroll back up to the top and select the price tag icon. Scroll to the group, in this case the monthly newsletter, and we're going to assign this lead to the group. Notice they're added to the group. You can see monthly newsletter here assigned to that particular lead. To unassign them, check the box again next to the lead's name, click the price tag, go to that same group again, monthly newsletter, click the Unassign button. This lead is now unassigned from that group. The other way to assign or unassign leads from a group is to go into their profile, click the pencil next to their name, scroll all the way down to where you see the Groups section. It's towards the bottom. Here we are with groups, and we see that they're in two. I'm going to click in the field, and I can quickly assign them back to the marketing newsletter group. I can also just click the X next to the name of the group I want to remove them from. So you can see you can quickly and easily add them to groups or remove them from groups in your profile. And these are the two ways to add and remove leads from groups.